Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Ram and this channel is going to be a platform where I am going to share my learnings and experience with you all. So today I am going to share something about the number system. Yes, the number system that we use in our day-to-day life. That is the decimal number system, which involves 10 digits. That is from 0, 1, 2, 3 goes on till 9. So I am going to teach you about this decimal number system. So that day I was thinking about computers and how computers work functions. And I was fascinated about the thing that computers use only two digits, zeros and ones for their day-to-day operation. This made me to think why our number system, that is the decimal number system, involves 9 digits and why not we are using the binary number system. So I started to search and learn about the number systems. So I came across various other number systems. The first one which I came across is the same, that is the binary number system, which involves, as I said, which involves only two numbers, that is 0 and 1. This system is used in computers for their operation, as I said before. So this number system is one of the important number systems because without this number system, our day-to-day life will not be the same as it is now. And the second number system which I came across is that sexagesimal number system, SEXK sexagesimal number system. So this number system involves 60 digits. Okay, so this number system involves 60 digits and this number system is used by Babylonians. Okay, Babylonians, and this Babylonians Babylonians belong to Mesopotamian civilization. Okay, so this is also very important number system because the influence of this number system in the mathematics is very huge because this this hexadecimal system is the reason why we are having 60 minutes in our clock, as well as why we are using 360 degree in our trigonometry. So this is also one of the important number system. So the next number system which I am going to which I learned is that the decimal number system, which, as I said before, that involves this 10 digits. Okay, so I also came across various other number systems which involve 6 digits, 12 digits, and these number systems are not very important and they don't have much practical application. So I am not going to dig upon that. So so where I'm coming from is that why we are using this decimal number system, why not we are using the other two or other number systems as well. So I came across few reasons why we are using this decimal number system rather than the other two. The first reason is very funny and as well as interesting. The reason is we have 10 fingers. Yes, you have heard it right. So the reason is because we have 10 fingers and this is one of the reasons why we are using decimal number system, which involves 10 digits. In the pre-modern mathematical era, we use numbers just to count things like apples, sheep, things like that. So it was easy for us to adapt a number system which involves 10 digits rather than using the other number system which involves 2 or 60 digits. So we adapted a decimal number system which involves 10 digits so that we can easily adapt to the new number systems. Okay, what is the second reason or the foremost important reason for adopting decimal number system is the simplification of calculations. So what do I mean is that we know that we have four basic arithmetic operations, that is zero, that is addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. If you take the operation multiplication, it is very easy in case of decimal number system rather than sexagesimal number system. If we see that if you want to multiply 23 into 47, you just have to remember 9 tables, that is 9 multiplication tables which we learned in 7th and 8th around our primary education time, which involves only 8 tables. It's enough to remember 8 tables to do multiplication, like 2 into 1, 3 into 1, like tables goes on till 9. It's enough to remember these 9 tables. But in case of sexagesimal number system, it involves around 60 digits, which means we have to remember around 60 tables. Can you imagine this? We have to remember 60 tables from one first table till we have to remember 60 tables. It will be quite difficult. Thank for this decimal number system. Without this decimal number system, we should have gone for sexagesimal number system, which will be very difficult. And in our school days, we have to remember these many tables for our graduating in maths. So that's the reason why we use this decimal number system for easy calculation. So if you ask me, this will take around 60 into 60, 3600 results. So in order to do a simple multiplication, we have to remember around 3600 results for to do simple multiplication. But this is not the case in decimal number system, which can be done using only 8 tables, which involves around 72 results. If you remember 72 results in multiplication table, we can do n number of multiplication, which involves 3 digits like 327 into 487. So we can also multiply big numbers like this using only these 8 numbers, these 8 tables. So this is one of the reasons why we used decimal number system rather than going for sexagesimal number system. Then you may ask a question that the binary number system involves only 2 digits, that is 0 and 1. So why not we are using that number system? It might be more easy for us, because it involves just 4 results. That is, in case of multiplication, 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 1, then 0 into 0, 0 into 1, 0, then 1 into 1, 1, then what is that? 0 into 0, 0 into 1, that's all like this. Then 1 into 0, then 0. So we have to remember only 4 results. But this binary number system will become a hack when it comes to representation of numbers. For in case we have to represent 1 million in binary number system, it involves around more than 12 digits, I guess. I exactly don't remember that number, because it goes like this: 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 and 0 0. It will goes on like this. In order to represent a simple number, that is 1 million, which we can write in decimal number as what? Like this. We can represent easily by this in decimal number system, but it takes like this when it comes to binary number system. So this is the reason why we are following decimal number system rather than binary number system. So a mathematician thought that going for a sexagesimal number system, which involves greater digits like 60 digits, we can use decimal number system, which involves only around 10 digits. And if we go beyond that, if we decrease the digits lesser than that, and we use binary digits, it will be difficult for us to represent bigger numbers like this. So it will be very difficult for us. So this is the reason why we opted for decimal number system rather than going for sexagesimal, not binary. It's just an intermediate path. Okay, so that's for today. So I really thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please do like it, give a thumbs up, and if you want to share this video, please share to the one who hate the maths and please subscribe to this video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.